Good morning.
Good morning, vloggers.
Good morning. Good morning what?
Good morning, vloggers.
Vloggers. But we're the vloggers. So what do we call the people who watch us?
Vloggers.
But they're not vloggers, we are.
Are you sure too? And then we'll use an old banana to make it more gummy.
Good morning, guys. I am exhausted.
Good morning.
I was up late last night.
No.
Kenny literally worked all day long. Double shift yesterday. And this one wouldn't go to sleep because she wanted to see Kenny. And allergies. I sound like I'm sick. I'm not. It's my allergies. Bella is ready for school. Ready for school. Hair done. Breakfast eaten. Lunch is done. Her hair, thank God, is getting longer since I chopped it off. It's the 1st of October, which means my oldest is turning 5. The 30th. And it makes me so very sad. I keep thinking about how tiny she was. Today, I have to do some laundry, and Kenny bought the wood for our new kitchen table that we're building. I started sanding yesterday. I only got 3 legs done yesterday because I had both girls outside there with me, so I had to make sure. A couple times Rose tried to walk down the driveway, and I'm like, ew. It got to the point where Rose was asking over and over again to go inside, so I was like, fine. Are you gonna have a good day at school today?
Yeah.
Are you gonna bring home green?
Yeah.
Because what's the deal if you bring home green all week for 5 days?
We'll get ice cream.
Not just any ice cream. We'll go see the cows, right? Yeah.
Yeah, not frozen yogurt.
No, it's not frozen yogurt. It's ice cream made from the cows that you see. I'm serious. It's made from the cow's milk. Yeah.
Oh, the sandwich one. The sandwich one.
What sandwich ones?
The one that you put one on the bottom, and then you put ice cream on the bottom thing, and then you put the top on.
You talking about cookie on the other side?
And then you eat it.
I have no idea what she's talking
Now this little baby is awake. You drinking the Gatorade?
We bought these Special K pumpkin spice at Aldi. Oh my gosh, those are so good. We tried pumpkin Cheerios one time and they were gross, but that actually tastes like you're eating pumpkin pie.
You okay? Eating the bananas first? Yes, good.
She's looking at her.
Here's Kitty.
Here's all our wood for our new table. These are all the legs all sanded down. The top is gonna get stained, and the legs and the bottom underneath is gonna get painted white. Just wait. It'll look good. I'm excited.
Hi. You know everything? I think you do. Say yes, yes, yes. Say yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Do you love me? See, it's not everything. Do you love bananas? See? Do you like your new chair? We got her new chair because the seat in the other one broke. And she was like sinking into it. What are you doing over there? Hey, that's the Goodwill stuff. Dover. Dover, stop! Hi, cutie. No, everything. But now the seat's much better because should we use one of the chairs? Try it. I think you'll like it. It's pumpkin. Here's Topher. For some reason, he's licking the bag. What a weirdo.
So, Kenny and I got a whole bunch of chores done. And now we're at Aldi because he tried to fix our shower head or change it. And it wouldn't work. It just wouldn't work. So he's trying to take it back. It's taking him a while. I hope everything's going okay. Rose is back there. We got lunch. Oof. We got lunch at Double R. What? Hi. Hello, baby. Go sleep. Oh, you need your blanket. Okay, shh. Go sleep, baby. Shh. Are you snoring? Are you snoring? What are you doing? That's her fake snore. That's what she does when she lays down. Feet. Do you want to show them your new boots? Yeah, let's show them your new boot. Look at how cute that is. Here, put on your feet. Other foot. Other foot. This foot. There. Her first boot. What are you doing? Oh, she's sweet. Where are you going? Look at Rose's Halloween costume. Almost done with it. Bella's is upstairs. Are you excited to be Pinkie Pie for Halloween? No, no. Oh, you got your baby. Burp the baby. Burp the baby. Baby. This girl's favorite things are babies and Hatchimals. Where you going? Now, they requested eggs for dinner. Bella has an egg sandwich. Rose eating toast with a little jelly on it. Hi, baby. Bella, what'd you bring home today?
Green.
Yay! Green means that she was good today. Ready to learn. She brought homework. She already did all of that, right?
Yeah.
We read her book. She's all ready. Pretty soon you guys gotta go to bed.
Okay.
Lots got done today. I set up the front yard with Halloween, what is it? Fake gravestones, so it looks Halloween-y out there with some spider webs on the front door. Bella noticed it right away. She's like, oh my god. It was funny. Hey, Rosalee. Stop. Soon it's bath time.
Bye.
Sit down. Sit your little tushy down. Sit. Be careful. See? Look at my roses Kenny brought me. They're looking kind of sad, which makes me sad. Oh well. Rose! Why, Rose? Rosalee. Baby. What are you doing?
Down.
Are you done?
No. What about that? What's that? Good girl. As soon as I said eat that, she did.
Oh boy. I love you girls. 29 days until somebody's birthday. So excited. I ordered something. I ordered her something last night. I'm so excited. Hi. What are you doing? You little bit. Stop it. Why do you do that? I hate when he does that. I hate it. Girls are in bed. Kenny's still at the gym. I lied. Kenny's home. So, I am going to go eat and see you guys later. Bye.